How to fix JBL wireless microphone receiver not charging. Check the basics first. Try a different USB cable, use another charger or adapter, and make sure the power source actually works. Now, on receivers like the JBL wireless microphone receiver, dust or lint can block charging. Make sure you use a toothpick or compressed air to gently clean it, and look for bent or damaged pins. And then look for charging indicators. Plug it in and check for LED lights. If there's no light at all, it's likely a power, a cable, or a port issue. Light turns on briefly and then off could mean that the battery is at fault or there's an internal fault. Now, if it got wet or overheated, charging circuit may be damaged. If it feels unusually hot while charging, make sure you unplug it immediately. So that means if it's a faulty charging port, a dead battery, or an internal board issue, at that point, repair or replacement is the only real fix. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.